YouTube, and this is going to be a fire alarm update, panel update at least. I have a little demonstration set up here for you, but this is my new panel. Now crap, I did it again. I did this in the first and second try I did this video. Anyway, so we've got the power light, and that's the panel name, and the alarm light. There's no lock yet. There's a silence/reset button. And what it says is push once to silence, push again to reset. And then, yeah, but this is new. These two LEDs were never here before. And I'm going to show you how I was able to put them in there. And there's also a buzzer in here now that goes off when the alarm does down too. So, I came across this circuit in a security panel, and I wondered, well, what the heck is it? Now, it was hooked up to a circuit, hooked up to a terminal on there that was labeled PA, and I'm like, what the heck? So, I don't know why it's hooked up to there, and I'm not sure. I could never turn on that alarm and test it, because, well, it wasn't hooked up, it wasn't working, it wasn't hooked up to the main power anymore, nothing actually works. And a bunch of crap was taken off of it, such as window detectors, which there was one right there. I took that off and stuff like that, but I took it out. And it turns out that all it is two LEDs, a separate power on a breadboard, and a separate power and this. So, yeah. And then another thing I did, just to make it work better, was I took the transformer and put it inside, so there's not a big wall wart sticking in the wall, and that there's not a big, that there's a puny little wire going into this panel here, and stuff like that. So it's direct, it's just, what do you call it? It's one of those, it's an extension cord. See, it's just an extension cord, and that's all it is, powering that transformer, plugged into that extension cord, giving power to the panel and stuff. It's just tape connections and some alligator connections. This goes to the alarm. It's the only alligators I have in here. Alligator clips I have in here. But yeah, so it's an extension cord now, and that's it. And I think, yeah, that's pretty much all for the updates, and of course I put labels on it and painted it. I don't think I had it painted last time I made a video. If I did make a video last time, I'm not even sure if you've seen this panel yet, because I'm so, like, behind on what I've shown on YouTube. And I had this up in the system before, if you didn't know that, but this was up in the system, and it doesn't work now. But, I had to take it down because it kept setting the alarm off when I was fiddling with trying to add a relay, a latching relay. I'm still working on that. I don't actually have a relay anymore. I was using a wrong type of relay. No, I wasn't using a flasher relay, but I was using a wrong type of relay. I'm not sure what it was, but I was using something that wasn't supposed to be used for a latching circuit. That doesn't matter what kind I was using. But anyway, so I want to demonstrate this now. I just have this light switch hooked up. It's one enough speaker wire. Don't judge me for it. It's only 9 volts. Right? It's a 9 volt transformer in there, and that's it. I wouldn't be worried about 9 volts going through a speaker wire, honestly, and this stuff's nice and thick, too. Anyway, you always gotta keep a clean studio. Anyway, so let's demonstrate this. Switch. Now let's turn her on. That was loud, so I turned this switch off. Anyway. So I'm going to demonstrate this again, but I think I'm going to hook off this piezo wire. So, it's disconnected now, and we are going to see. Alright, so now I will turn it on because it's much quieter with the panel's internal alarm now. I'm gonna hit the silence button. Crap. Alright, and the alarm light is still, in fact, on. And it's gonna stay on until I turn off the pull station. And so, you reset the pull station, push it again, and it's reset. And that's pretty much how you work the panel and the updates. So, yeah, I guess we'll see you later, and next time I should have a lock. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I should have a lock next time. Anyway, that's all for now, and goodbye.